Well, has your cell phone been ringing lately from callers you don't recognize? If you're like most people, the answer is yes. Consumer reporter John Matarese has the latest on what could be a costly phone call, so you don't waste your money.
It's the cell phone scam that won't go away. Back in January, people across the country started receiving strange hang-up calls on their cell phone. Well, now these calls have become almost commonplace, but they're still as dangerous as when they first began. It's the phone scam being heard around the world. In recent days, thousands of people have been reporting strange hang-up calls, mostly to their cell phones.
Really, I don't answer them, so I don't know what they are.
Kim Mitchell is among many people getting frustrated by the unknown calls.
And I did the do not call list, and that only lasts so long, and apparently it's, it's over.
But the Better Business Bureau says the do not call list will not stop these calls. It's called the one ring scam. Your phone will ring once or twice, then stop. You'll see a phone number with an unknown area code. But look closely. This call to one of my family's cell phones was from Antigua in the Caribbean. The BBB says scammers in Antigua, Barbados, and other islands are trying to lure you to return their calls. If so, a charge of as much as $19 can show up on your monthly bill, according to the BBB. Simple advice, don't answer your cell phone if you see a call coming in from an area code you don't recognize. If it's really important, such as a distant relative, they will leave you a voicemail message. And that way you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese.